Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Bluetooth section. Following that, tap on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature in order to activate it. Then wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. Now click on Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but you can always disconnect them by choosing this little icon next to paired device. Clicking on Unpair under device name, and as you can see now, they are disconnected. To connect to the same one, switch off Bluetooth, then turn it back on, wait for it to show, click on it, and tap on Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!